our St. Luke's Board of Directors, our guests from the Department of Foreign Affairs, the Bureau of Immigration, and the Department of Transportation. And of course, our friends from media who have all gathered in this momentous event for St. Luke's, business partners from travel agencies, airlines, insurance companies, and ambassadors and dignitaries from 17 different countries. I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Undersecretary Shalimar, who came with Secretary Frasco. Good afternoon, everyone. This is truly a momentous and honorable event for St. Luke's. I'd like to thank the Department of Tourism for the honor and privilege of being named as the lead medical facility for medical tourism in the Philippines. St. Luke's has catered to the international community for many of the years in the past decade since we have established St. Luke's Global City. Of course, St. Luke's Quezon City, also in its own right, has catered to international clients even before we started Global City. For our part, we have slowly extended our reach to the Pacific Islands, Guam, Marshall Islands, the federal states of Micronesia, PNG, Palau, Saipan, the Solomon Islands, and Fiji. And hopefully in the next coming months, we will be able to also tap into the markets of Bhutan.
Our guest of honor and speaker has led the Department of Tourism towards groundbreaking innovations resulting in the remarkable resurgence of the Philippine tourism industry. Focused on elevating the status of Philippine tourism on the global stage and enhancing the overall tourist experience, she has led building of tourist rest areas all over the country, which has been recently awarded the Best Tourism Infrastructure Project in the Government Gov Media Awards in Singapore, honoring outstanding government initiatives in Asia. Championing the Filipino brand of service excellence, over 200,000 Filipino tourism workers have been trained in hospitality excellence in just 2 years. The Secretary of Tourism of the Republic of the Philippines, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Ambassador Tul Tricerat of Thailand, and other members of the Diplomatic and Consular Corps. The President and CEO of St. Luke's Medical Center, Dr. Dennis P. Serrano. Please clap for our host. First Vice Chairman, Attorney Cirilo Noel, whom I knew in my younger lawyer days. Other members. Before I give you my prepared speech, allow me to tell you a story. A little over a year ago, I came upon an accident that required emergency care. And I was brought here to the emergency room of St. Luke's Medical Center. I nearly broke my leg and severely distressed, knowing that the very nature of a tourism secretary's work is to travel around the country. And knowing as well that in the same week that I had broken my leg, I had travels to Davao and other areas in the Philippines. So I was brought here in a state of extreme distress. But let me tell you that that state of distress was almost immediately allayed by the level of care, professionalism, and most importantly, compassion that I received from the doctors, the nurses, the assistants, and even the administrative staff. Medical Center, which plays a vital role in our mission to elevate the status of medical tourism in the Philippines. Tourism holds the transformative power to uplift lives. This is evident in the performance of Philippine tourism in the past year under the Marcos administration. Welcome this new era for Philippine tourism. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan and love the Philippines.
Thank you. A big round of applause to all the men and women behind St. Luke's Medical Center and the Department of Tourism for making this momentous dream possible.
Binigyan na yung plaque for partnership between SLMC and Department of Tourism.
Undersecretary.
Okay, let's eat. Cebuana belly. Isang maliit lang. Isang piraso. Grabe, dami susobra dito. O, sige, pakilagyan. Pakilagyan ako. Isa pa. Alam mo naman ang Pilipino, sauce lang pwede na. Okay. Ano yan? Isang piraso. Maliit lang. Mabubusog ako niyan. Sige, pwede na yan. O, ito isa. Maliit. Okay. Okay, kare-kare. Gulay. Kare-kare tayo. Ito na lang. Konti lang naman eh. Konti. Isa. O, isang pirasong ano. Yun pa. Isa. Vegetable kare-kare. Walang laman. Walang laman. Okay, bagoong. Okay, pwede na yan. Kakainin natin. Walang kanin. Okay na. Kakain pa tayo niya. Marami, oh.